why Jos Rizal became the national hero.
When we think of Filipino heroes, names like Andres Bonifacio, Emilio Aguinaldo, and Apolinario Mabini come to mind. But among them, one name stands out as the national symbol of the Philippines, Dr. Jose Rizal. So, what makes Rizal different? Why was he chosen above others as the national hero? Unlike Bonifacio and many others who led armed revolts, Rizal believed in peaceful reform. He used the power of the pen, not the sword, to fight against Spanish oppression. His novels, No Limitang Heri and El Filibusterismo, opened the eyes of Filipinos to the abuses of the colonizers and inspired a national awakening. Rizal was a scholar, a doctor, a linguist, and a patriot. He studied in Europe and mastered multiple languages, becoming one of the most well-educated Filipinos of his time. This gave him a global perspective, allowing him to appeal not only to fellow Filipinos, but also to the international community. At a time when the country was divided by class and region, Rizal's peaceful and intellectual approach was seen as a unifying symbol for all Filipinos. He came from the middle class, bridging the elite and the common people, making his message more inclusive and relatable. On December 30, 1896, Rizal was executed by the Spanish colonial government, but his death only strengthened the movement for independence. He became a martyr, his death proving that change can come not only through violence but through moral courage and national conscience. Rizal differs from other heroes not because he fought with weapons, but because he fought with ideas. And in the eyes of history, it was this power of words, knowledge, and principle that made him the national hero of the Philippines.